What's up, everybody? It's Earth Angel Hills, and I just had a quick message. I feel like there's a lot going on in the world right now, in our inner circles and on larger scales, and it's also like the dead of winter. And if you live in the Midwest, it's so cold, and in a lot of places in America it's really cold, and things are like, moving slower, slowing down. And I say it's a pretty good time for like introspection. And it's also a time where things come up that may seem pretty inconvenient. And in the midst of it, I think it's just important to remember your purpose and why you do what you do, why you get up every day, and why you continue to live this life out with joy. I was talking to a friend. I was giving them advice that I give myself, and advice that I have to use myself, like even today, just like in my thought processes, I was just, thinking a lot today. And in that space, I was able to just remind myself to focus on my purpose. That's what one of my favorite spiritual teachers talks about, is focusing on your purpose and allowing your purpose to guide you in this life and to protect you, allowing your purpose to put food on the table, to keep your mind right, to protect you from things, energies that don't serve you, your higher purpose, and to keep you focused, to bring love into your life, to help you to receive opportunities, things, new experiences, as well as to allow you to be able to give those things. Yeah, so my message is just for you to allow your purpose to empower you, and just keeping it at the focus, because there's a lot of things that can distract us out here. And, life can get loud, especially in the silence, crazy enough. You know how they have that white noise that's just it's so loud. But it's like even in the silence, things can seemingly become louder, but also things can become more clear, like our inner voice. We can hear it more clearly, and we can open ourselves up to just be more receptive to it. So in that clarity, if you're looking for direction or looking for more peace of mind, remember your purpose. And if you feel like you don't really know your purpose, then I would start to observe. Like, I would advise you to start to observe yourself. Observe the things that bring you joy, that bring you happiness, or just observe how you feel when you do certain things, because that is an indicator of what can lead you closer to discovering what your purpose is here. I hope everybody's doing good, staying strong, tapping in, locking in with themselves, and planting the necessary seeds during this cold winter time, so that by the time spring comes along, we can see the fruits of our labor, not only physically, but spiritually and mentally. So peace out, y'all. Thank you for tuning in. And if you have a positive message, leave it in the comments. Also, make videos yourself to encourage the people that are in your circle, and so we can keep this energy and this current flowing.